Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Our issue here is that this should be ports of entry. This is similar to what the Chief Minister is saying. Chief Minister has belatedly demanded the same thing what we are saying. But Hardeep Puri has exposed this government that this government was not ready to use its airport, to open up its airport. They could have easily done it because they have got the Minister of State for Defence, who is a local MP here. They could have used it even if it's a naval airport. They could have opened flights, rescue flights from Gulf and from elsewhere to bring stranded Goans to Goa.
Exactly, my question is saying because it is a defense airport, the things are not being put in place.
No. There is nothing about defense airport. This airport functions as a civilian airport also. Going by the way there is going to be a shortage of labor and everything, MOPA also is not going to happen so soon.
Pramod Sawant has not left any stone unturned to make politics out of a situation when people need to survive. We have always been demanding to come out of all political lines, be above all political lines, work together so that we all Goans are safe. देवादयेन आज आमी ग्रीन झोन आसात. ग्रीन झोनाच्यान चेंज जावपाक वेळ लागना आनी जे ओवर कॉन्फिडन्स सध्या सीएम दाखोवंक सोदता ते म्हाका दिसता एकदां आमकां वायट जाय इतको प्रश्न पडला. एक किट्स आर नॉट अवेलेबल. वी आर नॉट गेटिंग पीपल हू आर कमिंग इन टू बी कमिंग टू देअर ओन फॅमिलीज अँड दीस डिप्रेशन रेट इज गोईंग अप. आज हे चल्लां क्वॉरंटायन कर, भितर हाड, बाकीचे फॅसिलिटीज तयार करता आसतना आमी आज एज्युकेशनाचेर पावले. आज सध्या जेन्ना वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ हीट वेव, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कन्सर्न्स अबाउट द स्टुडंट्स हू आर हायली immune. They are skeptical to all this type of coronavirus spread. पावसान virus spread is known. Normal viral, fever येता, जोर येता, cough येता दुसऱ्या स्टुडंटा कडल्यान आनी साहजीक आसता. तातूंत आमी फुडें एज्युकेशन कशें व्हरता तें खबर नासतना we are trying to call for 10th standard exams at a time when the COVID graph is still not flattened. So the clear charge is that the student exams which are called are only a trigger button to call for ZP elections. And I don't think they will leave anything away to call for ZP elections at the earliest. They have used all politics behind COVID-19 to create this scenario of going into elections. So daily wage worker जसो आसता तसो आमचो chief minister जाला, who listens to somebody and comes and does the act for the day.